In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create saved sections in Podia. If you build pages regularly, saved sections are a huge time saver. They let you capture a section you've already designed, complete with layout, colors, and content, so you can reuse it later without rebuilding from scratch. This keeps your site consistent and speeds up your workflow, especially if you repeat elements like hero banners, testimonials, or pricing blocks across multiple pages. Start in your Podia dashboard and head to Website, then choose Edit Site. This opens the site editor where you can see your pages the way visitors will, with editing controls layered on top. Make sure you're on the page that contains the section you want to save. It helps to give the page a quick scroll and let everything load, so the editor recognizes each section cleanly. When you're on the right page, move your cursor over the section you want to reuse. As you hover, the editor will highlight the section and reveal controls along the left-hand side. This left-hand menu is tied to the section you're hovering, so take a moment to confirm you're on the right one. Look for visual cues like the section's background, heading, or unique elements. Next, click the bookmark, or save, icon in that left-hand menu. The icon looks like a small ribbon and signals that you're saving this specific section for future use. Once you click it, Podia will prompt you to name your saved section. This name is how you'll recognize it later, so make it descriptive. Think beyond hero or testimonials. Include details that help you identify it at a glance, like the page type, purpose, and a distinctive style cue. For example, home page hero, blue background, large CTA, or testimonials, 3-column with photos. If you use multiple versions of the same pattern, consider adding a version number or date, like pricing table, V2, annual toggle. A consistent naming convention saves time, especially if you collaborate with others. That's it. Your section is now saved. You can repeat this process for as many sections as you like, building a small library of reusable pieces that reflect your brand and layout preferences. Remember, a saved section captures the design as it exists when you save it. So if you make major changes later and want to reuse the new version, simply save it again with an updated name. By following these steps, open the site editor, hover the section, click the bookmark icon, and give it a clear name. You'll create a reliable toolkit of saved sections that makes building and updating your Podia site faster and more consistent.